My name's Emma, and I started at the nursery probably 18 months ago with Cassie, the nursery manager. Here at the nursery we grow plants native to the Swan Coastal Plain for revegetation of bush and wetland areas.
We grow as much as we can from seed for genetic diversity, for revegetation project. Anything grown by cuttings or divisions is a clone.
We've also recently opened up to the public so that they can actually source native plants that are going to survive in our area. To comply with the NIASA standards, we actually have to have the soil off the ground in bags.
So that was not sustainable and quite hard to keep a workflow going because we couldn't be sure when we'd get the next delivery. So the soil bay allows us to have 6 cubic metres at a time, so double what we could get at any one time before.
We approached one of our long-term supporters, SRG Global, to build one for us. And they said yes straight away, when would you like it? And they got it done before our really busy period so that we could actually get that soil delivered straight away. Bulka bags are made out of plastic, which in a nursery situation is actually kind of handy. So we would reuse them to store pots. Some were filled with broken pots that were then sent to the recyclers. So we have around 40 volunteers regularly. The nursery is a space where people can come together and do something purposeful. We are revegetating our precious bushland, which is incredibly important, not just for the bush but for the wildlife and for us as well.